respected principal sir, vice principal sir, school advisor, panel of judges, level in charges, teaching and non-teaching staff, seniors, juniors, and my dear friends. A very warm good afternoon to you all. It's me, Vivian Thapa from grade 9 section A, standing here in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic, My Father, My Superhero. So here I begin. Everyone has a hero in their life, someone who they admire, someone who they respect, and someone who they look up to. Similarly, for me, that person is none other than my dad. He may not wear a cape as shown in the movies, but for me, he's the most inspiring and the most strongest man. My father has shown me the true meaning of hard work. He wakes up early, he works all the day, even though he's tired, he never complains about it. And he also tries to make our family and me happy. And also, he always finds time to guide me in my studies, even though he's busy or he's not. My father knows how to face every situation. Even though the situation is the hardest one, he just smiles at it and faces it. He never gives up. He always tries his best. That's what I do as well. My father has taught me different life lessons like not cheating anytime, respecting our elders, loving the juniors, and helping the people in need. Whenever I am discouraged, I just remember his words. He always says that you can achieve anything if you believe in yourself and work for it. My father isn't my superhero because he can fly or fight the villains. He is my superhero because he knows how to respect others, love the juniors, inspire others, and many more. I am really proud to say, call him my father, my mentor, my superhero, my everything, and my best friend as well. I can share anything regarding me to him because he's just like a best friend for me. He never judges anyone, he always respects their decision and always helps me a lot. For me, become a father is fantastic, amazing, thrilling, handsome, elegant, and royal. If I can achieve even the half of my dad's career, I know that I'll have succeeded my life. Love you, Dad. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivian. Juniors and my dear friends and my respected teachers. Today I am here to give a short speech on a child's first hero and the men who suffer in silence so that we can enjoy our lives. Fathers. Fathers are one of the child's first and most early forgotten heroes. A child thinks of their father as a first hero, as from a young age they see their father doing things that they believe are impossible and suffering so that they can enjoy life. Fathers are one of the most forgotten heroes among society as they like to suffer in silence so that their children can enjoy life to the fullest. Fathers do not decide whether they want to enjoy life. They decide whether the child can enjoy life and so be successful in life. Fathers are one of the most integral parts of society as they see as they fathers are one of the most important parts in everyday life as they work in the shadows and provide love and affection in ways that we do not remember. Whenever we think of love, we mostly think of our mother, but we do not think of our father. Whenever we start to feel suffer or feel that we are in a difficult place, we do not tell this directly to our mothers because we feel that if we tell them, it will give them a extra burden to feel. But we tell them to the fathers who have to give us life advice, help us to face these fears, problems, and conquer them. Fathers, fathers do not just help us to grow, but they also decide it to help us. But they are also the ones who determine how we act in society, how we respect others, how we treat others, and how we act around others. Fathers are the role models of children from a young age. Whatever your father teaches you that is what you learn in the future. Whatever your father does, that is what you do in the future. Whatever your father's dreams are, that is what you try to achieve. With this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you. So, that's it. May I start?
A one good afternoon to everyone. It's me, Arvan Rajjoshi, standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on Father's Day. Before I begin, I would like to thank Radhika ma'am and other respected teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I feel truly honored to participate in this competition. I would like to present my speech on Father's Day. To begin with, I want to ask you a question. Who is father to you? Someone may say he is my superhero. Someone may say he is my best friend. Yes, both are right. But in my opinion, he is the person who carries his whole family responsibility in his shoulder and do not show any pain. The person who has sacrificed his own dreams to make our future bright is our father. The person who has sacrificed his own happiness to make us happy is our father. The person who runs his entire family, support us in hard time, and has sacrificed everything to just make us smile is only our father. Even in his hardest time, he does not show any pain in his face because he knows if we see that, we will feel hurt. Truly, he is our real life hero. We can imagine how he manages our school fees, our outfits, our needs, and our dreams. We can imagine our Father's love towards us. His love may be silent, but it is the purest love in the world. We see superheroes in film only, but there is a superhero in real life, also known as our great Father. To thank him at least one time in a year. That is why Father Day is celebrated. It is the day in which we express our love towards him by giving him some gifts, cards, letter. But in reality, no gifts can ever equal what he has given to us. We should thank him every single day. Let us show love, respect, and thank him every single day for everything he has done to us. At the end, I will like to say or wish Happy Father's Day to all super dads and single mothers out there. Thank you.
Bibisara Bhandari, grade 9. I have sent him here to control. Go.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, School Advisor, level in charges, panel of judges, respected teachers, seniors, juniors, and my dear friends. It's me, Bibisa Rajmani from grade 9. Today I am going to deliver a short speech on a topic of my father, my inspiration. Everyone has a role model in their life, someone who motivates them to become a better person. For me, that person is my father. He's just not just only my parent, but he's my biggest supporter, guide, and teacher. His love, dedication for family inspire me every day. My father is a hardworking person who always try to do best in everything he does. He believes in honesty and discipline. He has taught me the importance of these qualities also. No matter how busy he is, he always try to find time to motivate and support me in my subject and my dream. His ability to balance both work and family life motivates me to uh, be responsible. What inspired me about my father is his never give up attitude. Even in difficult situations, he remains calm and positive. He has faced different challenges with courage. Uh, this this teaches me to this teaches me that success is not just about avoiding problems; it's about overcoming them. His life proved that dedication and patience can change struggle into achievement. Apart from being hardworking, my father is also kind and generous. He always helps others in need. That motivates me to be respectful toward others. He's my role model just not because of his achievement, because of the way he lives in his life with humility and gratitude. In conclusion, my father is my biggest role model. His quality of dedication and kindness encouraged me to be follow the right path. I hope I will be better person in my life following my dad values. Thank you.
Thank you, Bibisara Bhandari.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, labor in charges, panel of judges, respected teachers, seniors, juniors, and my dear friends. Myself, Binisa Gurung from grade 9 to deliver a speech on the topic of the role of father in a family. A role of father in a family encompasses several key areas: providing financial support, offering emotional support and guidance, teaching life skills and discipline, and being a positive role model. While traditionally seen as the primary provider, modern fathers often share responsibilities with mothers and contribute to the family in diverse ways. Fathers traditionally ensures families' financial well-being by working and earning an income. They work hard to provide families' physical needs such as food, shelter, and clothing. Fathers are often seen as the protectors, ensuring the physical safety of their children and family. Fathers play a vital role in teaching children important life skills such as decision making, problem solving, and social skills. They guide children in developing strong moral compass and understanding right from wrong. They offer emotional support to their children, helping them navigate their feelings and build self-esteem. Fathers provide a sense of security and stability. Fathers play a crucial role in encouraging their children's dreams and aspirations. They offer support and motivation, helping their children believe in themselves and their potential. At last, I would like to wish you all Happy Father's Day. Thank you.
They are saying so many things about the father, very important things. So I can't explain. So they will explain here, and all of you please listen it very carefully. Now, next student, Chiring Yanjom Pariyar.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, School Advisor, Level In Charge, Penial of Guests, teachers, non-teaching staffs, seniors, juniors, and my lovely friends. It's me, Anjum Pariyar, from grade 9A, standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic of my father, my superhero. Everyone has someone they're looking up for in life. For me, that person is my father. He's not just only my parent, he is my superhero. A father is a person who is strongest, kindest, and most inspired person in whom I know. My father worked very hard every day to provide us good facilities. Even he is tired, he does not show it. He always greets us with a big smile and give us his attention and time. He always helps me in study and motivate me when I feel low or stressed and give me a right decision. What makes him superhero is his strengthness and selfness. He teaches me to be honest, disciplined, and caring through his attention. He always put our needs before him. In every step of my life, he is here to motivate and save me. I feel confident and safe because of him. He always here to protect me. I am very proud to myself to call him a father. He listened to me patently and support my dream, no matter how small and big they are. In every step, no matter how and big they are. Big they are. In my eyes, he is the more stronger than any movie hero, wisher than a book, and more lover that cannot be described in words. I feel proud to be his child. I want to become more kind and stronger as he already. At last, I want to say that to all. Always remember, don't judge your father that he scolded you for today. It is all for your future. He only wants to saw you in successful position. He only wants to make your future bright. He always work hard to look you in successful position. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Chiring. Now, Grade 7, Denisa Vandana.
Standing here in front of you all to talk about a topic which is very close to everyone's heart, Father, the man who never let us fail. Whenever we think of superheroes in our mind, it comes someone with cape or with special powers. But in real life, our father are the true superheroes without a cape, yet with endless love and sacrifices. He may not fly, but ready to catch us. He may not fight with villains, but ready to fight with our failures and life problems. He was the one who taught us our first steps and guided us through life's biggest challenges. From guiding us through the small faults. As we grew up, those small faults were no longer physical. They were failure, life problem, and fear. But the presence of Father never faded. With His presence, we should learn that failure is never the end. It's a life lesson which makes our future safe and secure. For most of us, there has always been a person ready to catch them every time they fall. Their father. Our father works silently in the background to make us feel comfortable. Can you remember a moment when your father helped you without even saying a single word? Even when the whole world doubts us, our father's eyes says that I believe in you. Our father, he teaches us many things: courage, perseverance, and sacrifices. Behind every successful person, there is an untold story of his or her father who works silently in the background to make the child's future better. Our Father, he may be so strong in public, but we also should feel that there is an emotional person inside our Father's happy face. He gives us courage, motivation, and helps us to become a better person in the future. In conclusion, a father is not just a parent, he is our friend, philosopher, and guide. So let us all take a moment to appreciate the biggest hero of our life, our Father, who never let us fail. Thank you.
Thank you, Denisa Vandana.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal, vice principal, academic advisor, level in charges, panel of judges, teachers, seniors, juniors, and my dear friends. It's me, Devashish Thapamagar from grade 7, standing here in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic, the unsung hero of father's quiet sacrifice. A father is a silent warrior who battles the world to ensure our happiness. He sacrifices his dreams, hides his struggles, and gives without expecting anything in return. His love is unspoken yet unshakable, a pillar of strength in every storm. Their silent sacrifices and their silent sacrifices and constant support shape our lives in the ways words can hardly express. Yes, a father's love is unique, firm yet gentle, strict yet caring. He pushes us to be our best while standing by us at our worst. A father teaches us the value of perseverance, self-discipline, and hard work. My father taught me that love isn't just a feeling, but it is an action, commitment, and selflessness. So our Father is the first God we see the silent strength behind every prayer. This Father's Day I celebrate not just the man who raised me, but the man who shaped my heart through his silent acts of love. He may never ask for recognition, but he deserves all the gratitudes the world can offer. Thank you.
Next one, grade 8, Jenisa Basnet.
Thank you, Bina sir. Honorable principal sir, respected teachers, all the staffs, loving juniors, seniors, and all of my dear friends. It's me Zensa from grade 8 going to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of my father, my superhero. When people talk about superheroes, they often imagine someone wearing a cape flying high above the city. But my superhero doesn't need any cape. He wears a simple clothes and carries the weight of family in his strong shoulders. My father does not need any superpowers. He don't have superpowers, but he has something even greater, a heart full of love, courage, and patience. My father don't fight with villains, but he fights every day to make our life better. My father works abroad to support not only us, but also his parents and siblings, proving that age doesn't define maturity, but character does. Being away from home is never easy, but my father sacrificed his own comfort and happiness to so that we can live a better life. Uh, he spends long days working hard, uh, often putting his own comfort and needs aside so that he can fulfill ours. To me, he is more than a provider. He is a guide, a protector, and my biggest role model. Even from miles away, his love, care, and support uh, made me feel like a superhero invisible shield. Um, my father's strength and selflessness make him the real hero of my story. At conclusion, fathers are the best gifts from God, and I would like to thank my father for always being my side and never judge me. At last, I want to say Happy Father's Day to all the wonderful dads out there. We are who we are because of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Janisa. Up to now, 11 participants, they have already shown their presentation regarding Father's Day. Up to now, they have shown very nice performance. Now, the upcoming participants also, please present yourself very nicely. Hope so. So, Kriti Bhandari, grade 8.
A warm afternoon to everyone present here. It's me, Kriti Bandari, feeling honored to stand before you to tell a short speech about Father's Day. Before heading to my speech, I would like to wish Happy Father's Day to all fathers, grandfathers, and uncles out there. Tomorrow is a day dedicated to honoring love, care, and sacrifices of our father. Our father is not just our parents, but also our teacher, role model, and guiding stars. His sacrifices often goes unnoticed, but it impacts lifetime. He's just like a tree. His roots go deep down to hold us strong. His branches spread wider to protect us, and his shades provide us shelter when our life started feeling unbearable. He is an unshaken. He may not express his expression to us, but his action shows how much he loved us and our family. He is an unshaken part. He is an unshaken pillars, unseen sacrifices. A father is someone who always want us to be successful in our life. They don't ask for any applause, but they always want to see us getting successful and happier in our life. A father may not always be with us forever, but their love, care, and sacrifices last longer till eternal. Thank you and have a good day.
Okay, thank you, Kriti. Now, grade 6, Nisma Upreti. Nisma Upreti.
Good afternoon to everyone presented here, respected principal sir, teachers, juniors, and my dear friend. Ismin Isma Upreti from grade 6 presented here in front of you all to tell today's about Father's Day. Father's Day is a day which is celebrated with fathers to share love, given sweet gifts, and many more things to celebrate that. Fathers are the most important people in our life who make us easier in our life and make us confident to talk about the max. It won't be bad to tell fathers are our God because they always they always with us like God. We can't see them crying, but they cry by heart, but they never tell us no. They are our superhero in our life. They make us happy always. They always with us in every situation. Mostly, I want to tell his good habit that he never tell no to in any situation. He never tell no. He support his family and child success and be happy with our success. Also, I want to tell that tomorrow is 3rd August, Father's Day. Fathers always love us, but we need one current time, date, and day to love them. We always give them too much respect in Father's Day only, but it is not one showing respect and love to our father. We should always love and respect him like Father's Day. We should not wait only for Father's Day. We should always tell them thank you for their support to us and tell him you are you are the best God of our life. At last, I want to tell to all of you, Happy Father's Day in advance, and may and hope your Father's Day go nicely and successfully. Thank you.
Thank you, Nisma.
I'm Nirav Giri from grade 7. Today I'm going to deliver a topic about my father is more nice than anyone else. I'm not talking only my father is more nice than anyone else. For everyone, our father is the best. For just like that, for me also, my father is the most best person in the world. He's the best person. He is not only the owner of the family. He's a parent and guide and the protector of the family. He's the head of the family. He take good decisions. He take good decision. He he give good decision. When he is also tired, he give a good smile and to us when we are when we can, when we are succeed. He be happy in our succeed. When we do not get success, he give us he give us a, he give us a contribution to make us happy. He give us good solution in our life. He teaches us a lesson in life. He teaches us how to go in the life. He teaches us how to go, how to live, how to go, to make our future bright. He is the person who make our future bright. He is the person who give us who, who give us silent love. The silent love is more big than polite words. The other people give us love with polite words also, but the father give us silent and love with polite words both. He is the best person in the world for me. He's the person who know who's is the only person who know our feelings. He's only the person who know who know what we like to do. Well, he only is the person who thought for our future. He's the person who take care of our future. He's the most nice person for is the most nice person. He's not only a parent. He's the owner and the guide of the family. He give awesome. He earn money for not himself. He earn money for ourselves. When he is also tired, he sacrifices his time and he sacrifices time by spending with us. I hope you will all love father. So that's why Father Day is made. Thank you.
Honoring the all fathers who work hard, support us and help us. Our fathers is like a strong tree who fathers is like a strong tree we might not always we might not always say emotions, but speak louder than any good.
Teachers, our panel of judges,
junior, senior, brother and sister, and my dear friends. It's me, Pavitra Bharati from grade 9, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of my father. My father is not head of our family, he is my biggest inspiration. From childhood, I have looked up to him for his strength and honesty. He always believed in hard work and honesty and always tell me never take shortcut in your life. He never complains and never give up, always move forward just like a true superhero. My father's worked hard throughout all the day and still find the time to sit with us. My father is also my best teacher, whether it's time for helping me with study or teaching me how to ride a bicycle. I'm very proud to be his child and I hope I carry this value for my whole life. He's just like a lighting star in my life. He always encourages me to try and never give up until I succeed. He's always there to cheer me whenever I feel upset or sad. I want to make proud by following his teaching and guiding in my life. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Pavitra. Now, Miss Radhika Kotwal, grade 10.
A father is a shelter in the storm, a light in the darkest night. He may not always wear a crown or a cape, but to his child he will always be a king and always be a hero. Good afternoon to the respected panel of judges, respected teachers, beloved juniors, and all of my dear friends present here. Today, standing in front of you all, I, Radhika Katwal, present a deep honor to be standing in front of you all to talk about a person who is often the silent strength of our life, our Father, and the special day dedicated to Him, Father's Day. When we usually think of love, the first image that comes to our mind is a mother. She nurtures us with care and tenderness, but behind every strong mother and child, there is a father quietly working, quietly protecting, and quietly sacrificing, often without any recognition. A father is not just a parent, he is a guide, he is a protector, he is a teacher, and sometimes even a friend. His love may not always come in the form of sweet words or gentle hugs. It comes in the form of disciplines, in the form of lesson, and in rules that shape us into better people. Behind his strictness is a heart full of care. Behind his silence is an ocean full of love. There is a truth about fathers that always moves me deeply. A father would like his children to have everything he did not have growing up. If he ever had to study in a room with dim lamps, he would like his children to have a room full of light. If he ever had to go to bed hungry, he makes sure his children's plates are never empty. If he ever had to walk to school, he makes sure his children can ride. He carries the burden of his unfulfilled wishes, yet smiles when he shares fulfilling ours. Once I heard a saying that has stuck with me till now. A father hides his own dreams inside his heart so his children can fulfill their dreams. Isn't that the purest definition of love and sacrifice? And more than that, a father is a warrior at heart. He would go against the world to protect his children. He would face dangers unseen and fight battles nobody else has seen. He may not wear armor or carry a sword, but he will always go to unmatched lengths to fight for his child. That is the love and heroism of a father. More than that, think about it. Who wakes up early in the morning and works tirelessly just so we can have a better life? Who hides his own pain just so we can have a smile on our face? Who teaches us things from riding a bicycle to doing our taxes when we call in crime? Father's Day is not just a date on a calendar. It is a reminder that fathers deserve to be loved, cherished, and appreciated. As I conclude, I leave you with this thought. A mother gives us roots, but a father gives us wings. But both are equally important. But Father's Day is the day we salute to the man who doesn't wear a cape but is his child's first hero. Happy Father's Day and Allah, I want love to all of the fathers. Thank you.
Thank you, Radhika Kotwal from grade 10. As you all know that, she has too much confidence also, clarity also, so many things. Very nicely she present herself here. Now,
School advisor, dear teacher, my friends, and a heartfelt thanks to Radhika ma'am for giving me this opportunity to speak today. The topic of my speech is the shadows that protect us. We often chase the spotlight, We notice the ones who are at the center of the stage, who speak the loudest, or who shine the brightest. But today I am here to talk about someone else, the shadows, the ones, the quiet people who don't ask for recognition, yet without them our life is incomplete. One such shadow is our Father. He may not be at the spotlight of our lives every single day, but he is definitely there behind us. He picks us up when we stumble. He protects us from storms. He picks us up even more when we succeed. That's the spirit of a father. Uh, so, a father is not just a person who loves us, but he is the person who sacrifices many things for us. He sacrifices his dreams and values just to make us able to pursue our own dreams. In my own life, I have seen this shadow working late nights, skipping meals, working late nights while skipping meals. He may not say much to me, but I know that he truly cares for me inside from his heart. He has made very significant changes for me, sacrifices for me. I really appreciate that. So this Father's Day, I'd like to request you all to not just honor the visible heroes, but the invisible ones as well. The fathers who sacrificed their entire life for us, just for us to succeed. They are the ones behind all the values and norms that we have. So, by saying this, I would like to wish all the fathers a very nice Father's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Samundra Pandit.